Difference between relevant and irrelevant information. Relevant information would include information that pertains to the subject or topic.
Sometimes a problem may contain information which is either not needed at all to solve the problem or needed, but only if the problem is to be solved in the slowest of ways. Regardless of the case, irrelevant information can be misleading and confusing. Relevant information is any information that would have an impact on the decision. It is related, applicable, important, connected, and appropriate. Irrelevant information is not related, not applicable, unimportant, not connected, inappropriate, and beside the point. Relevant information is any information that would have an impact on the decision. Relevant information is data that can be applied to solve a problem. Irrelevant information is unrelated, needless, and redundant in the steps to reach to a solution of a problem, and is deemed